Come on, make a noise so the camera can hear you. There it is. This egg is pretty small. Look at that. One of 2 eggs that was left behind. Mama and 7 ducklings left. Actually, there were 5 eggs left behind, but 3 of them didn't have life in them. Here's the other one. A little bit worried about it. I can hear it faintly, but it's not trying to get out. Just a wee bit. So, oh, felt it over there. Okay, it's off for now. We'll wait. Come on, baby. Yeah, come on. She's working on it. Come on, baby. You gonna come out? It's been about 4 hours since your mommy left. Come on. Yeah, just about got that lid open. Come on. Lay down again. Yeah. How about that? How about that? Are you gonna make a showing? This is your debut? Here you go. Here you go. Yeah, come on. In action now. So it's just about 5 minutes later. Come on. Yeah, you can do it. Come on. Yeah, come on. Come on. Here she comes. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, there you are. Oh my goodness. Almost impossible to think about all of that being crammed in that tiny egg. Oh, I kicked up a shell. Oh boy. Oh boy. Come on. Gotta get out on your own. You'll do it. Looks like a monster, my goodness. So funny how they look when they first come out. Doing good, come on. You need some help? Trying to hold the camera. There, come on. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Come on. Come on, such an effort. Such an effort. Oops. Yeah. You're really trying, aren't you? Come on. There you go. There you go. Oh my goodness. Look at that, you're all bundled up. Oh my goodness. There, hi there. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, look at you. Look at you. Okay, okay. Look at that. Don't take me, just take. Look at that.
I guess she's about 10 minutes old.
No, not even. Here, let's show her. But she's wet and she wants. Stand up. Awful weak. Yeah, awful weak. Okay. Get a better picture of her. Then we get all warmed up.
Her eyes are open now.
Mm-hmm. Just wanted to see how she looks like. Look at those long legs. Okay, shut that off. Hey, look at the camera. Look at the camera. No, just trying to find a warm spot again. Hey.